Hello. In this video, we will be showing you how to navigate and search the video collection in the Sage Counselling and Psychotherapy collection resource. From the link to access this resource, you will find yourself on the main page for the Sage video collection. The reason being for this is if you look at the list of options in the top menu, click on Collections, and you will notice from the drop-down menu that most of the options have a locked icon, meaning they are inaccessible, leaving you with the only available resource being the Sage video. To see what is available for you from the Sage video collection, scroll down the Browse By section and click on Browse All Sage Video. You'll now be taken to the following results page, which should look like this. On the left side of the screen, you will notice a menu titled Quick Filters. Click on the content available to me and click the Apply Filter button. This will change the results page on screen now, showing you what videos are available for you to access. Once you click on the video you wish to watch, for example, anti-racism, intersectionality and mental health care, you'll be taken to the following page. The video will be presented on the left side of the screen, whilst on the right side of the screen you will notice the transcript for the video, which will be set to auto scroll on, which means it will highlight for you what is being said in the video in real time. Just below the video, you will notice a few more options. Summary will give you a brief outline of what the video is about. Chapters will give you the option to skip to a particular moment in the video that might be of interest. And video info will bring up details such as when the video was published.